What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching you the choreography that I made to the song called W.E.T by Paloma Ford. Alright, so let's start. Alright, let's start. Are you ready? Alright. So we go slow this time, alright? It's gonna be sensual, so don't be shy. If I said touch yourself, alright? It doesn't matter. Just touch like that. Alright, first you're gonna go do the isolation going front. Left to the front. You're gonna go 1, 2. Alright, 6, 7, and 8. Go 1, 2, step 3, then 4. So you're gonna need to bend back. 4, 5, open on 6. Too many. 6, you're gonna close on 7. Make sure you go to the front. 7, go up on 8. Then look to your left. Look at your papa. And go up. And 2. Yes, then you can hold here. Alright, let's try one more time. Super slow, alright? 6, 7, and go 1, 2, step 3, go on 4, 5, open on 6, to the front 7, up on 8, super slow, 1, then 2. Your hand is free. You can go here, here, here. Alright, 1 and 2. Next. So from here, you're gonna go low, change your weight to your right. Because from here, your weight is on the left. So 7, 1, 2, slowly, 3, change on 4, 6, 7, and go 3 and 4. So you need to touch that inside, not outside. Alright, you can see 3 and 4. Copy? 3, 4, you just open on 5. Then 6. So you basically covering your ear, all right? Covering yung tenga nyo. 5, 6, all right? Then you're gonna go 7, 7, cross, 8. All right, clap your hand. We have someone outside. Ready? So from here, 1, 2, and that's it. Go. Wow, nice shoes. Commercial break. 안녕하세요. Alright, let's go on. Let's try one more time from the beginning for the newcomer. So lock the door. I'm not sure if we still have someone. Maybe no go. Alright, let's do it one more time. Okay guys, sorry. So we're gonna go front in 1, 2, cross 3. Wave on 4, super slow, 4, down on 5, open on 6, 6, close on 7 to the front, then 8. When you go up, you need to look at your left, tilt your, you go up left, 7, 8, then 1, 2. Alright, one more time. So, say hi. Hello. You have a guess. Alright. Let's try one more time from the beginning, 1, 8 first. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Open on 6, close on 7, leave on 8, 1, 2. Good. As what I said, you can put your hand anywhere you like. So 7, 8, 1, 2. Touch 3 and 4. Open on 5, 6, 7, cross 8. Pretend pasay. One more time. From 2, go 3 and 4. Go 5, 7, cross 8. Let's try from the beginning to 8. So So make sure everyone, you do it super slow, all right? With the facial expression, like you can bite your lips or the new friend now. Beautiful eyes. All right, really up to you. All right, just yes, hot. Later after this. All right. So many commercials. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. All right. By the way, this is 5 and 6. Stay on 7, cross on 8. Sorry, correction on the counting. So 3, 4. This is 5 and 6, 7, cross 8. Got it? All right, next. So after you do the 5 and 6, 7 on 8, we're gonna walk front. Simple, slowly. 1. So you're gonna need to use your hips. This one's like a little bit of Latin, yeah, rumba. 1. Look on 2. Drag it. 3. This is quick, and 4. Get it? One more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Don't worry, the music is too slow. So 7, 3, 4. All right. Then you're gonna go back 5, 6. Just look back 6, 7. Oh, we always have look back 6, 7, and then not look your back 6, 7, and 5, 6. Commercial break. So again, I lost there. So 5 and 6, 7, 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just step back. 5. Look back on 6. To make it sharp, super slow. Go 5, 6. All right. Then you're gonna go from here. You're gonna go open on right, left, left. Then go down to boom, like that. You're gonna need to use your shoulder going down, and like you feel shy. No, like someone holding you on the shoulder, like no. Yes. Go, Amy. Let's try one more time. So 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So this one just step here 5, 5, 6, 7. Then this one you're gonna go shoulder up 6, 7, and then you're gonna change your weight, transfer your weight to your left, and down, like that. All right, let's try it for the last time. So 7, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back 5, 6, 7. Maybe put a little bit to your left. 7 and 7, 8. 1, 2. Maybe 1, 2. But for now, we count 8. All right, let's try. Let's combine from the beginning first. All right, before we go on. So 5, 6. From here, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7. Here we go. 3, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. All right. All right. Next. So 7, 8. Drop on 1. Touch on 2, 3. So your position is like this. 3 and 4. Open, look up, 5, touch on 6, 7, lean back, 8, 1, 2. Did you get it? One more time. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touch first, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So you're gonna close on 2. Copy? Alright, that's right. Let's combine again from the beginning, including everything. Alright, let's try 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. So your hand is 2. Alright, then you're gonna go next from here. 2, you're gonna touch it. 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright? Again. 2, just ad lib. Like 1, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, arch your back. Copy? Okay, then we're gonna go up quick. 10 and look back. Did you get that? Let's try one more time. So 7, 8, 1 hand on 2, 3, 4. No, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go 7. Look back on 8. Hit it. Okay, that's right. We go from here. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright guys, one more time. Let's clarify the last 8. I mean, this is not the last choreography. The last 8 that we did. So from on the floor, it goes like this. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Stop. 7, 8, 1, 2. Hold. 3, 4. So instead of 6, drop on 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6, and 7. Then arch on back, arch on back, arch on back, arch on back. 8, 1, 2, 3, close. So your right, follow the left, close. Then walk, right, left, close. It goes like this. 5, 6, 7, close. Alright, you got it? Let's try one more time from here. 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 8, 1. I forgot to count. Ta, ra, 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 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, close. Yes. Let's try from the beginning. All of it. Here we go. Alright guys, just a minor adjustment on this one. So from here, 7, 8, you suppose 1, 2, 3, close on 4, right? So we're gonna do a little bit faster. So 7, 8, go 1, close on 2. Alright, just cut 2 counts, step on right, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around, 7, and 8. Alright, you got it? One more time. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn around, 7, 8. Alright, then ad lib here. Give me your best ad lib, your best freestyle. Best freestyle. Alright, that's right. Let's do everything from the beginning. Alright? Are you ready? Here we go. Facial expression, alright? Here we go on 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Slowly. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job!
Thank you so much, guys. Hope you like that choreography. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my videos, give us a comment, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye bye.